Are you looking for an affiliate marketing course? Or maybe you've been in the business for a while, but you're not getting the results you want? Well, in this video, I want to share with you quite a few things. And if your affiliate marketing course does not offer all these things, then you need to move on. The course you're looking into should not be a do-it-yourself. It should be a done for you. At least 95 to 99% of the work, that is. Also, it should offer coaching. It should also offer one-on-one mentorship. If that course you're looking into doesn't offer those things, guess what? 2 words: move on. Here's another thing you must look for. That course you're looking at, it shouldn't require you to learn a bunch of stuff, learn a bunch of skills and tech and things like that before you can even make any money. But it should allow you to learn or earn money as you learn the program as well. Because listen, the mentor, the creator of that program, or the coach that you have should care more about your success than anything. Because if you become a success in that program, then guess what? That's a testimony for that company as well. And then it just branches out even more. So it helps the creator of the course as much as it helps you in building your affiliate marketing business. Here's one of the biggest things that scares people when they're getting into affiliate marketing and building an online business: the tech side. Because most people struggle with that, or most people don't want to learn that. But the course that you get involved in should help you build the funnel with you and for you. The course you get involved in should offer you social media posts, should offer you email swipe files. That course should also offer you downloadable funnels in the program when you get involved in it. It should also offer you tech support, which I know is what we're talking about, but not just doing things for you, but even if you have trouble along the journey, even with the simplest things, you have tech support available. That program should offer you that, because if you're going to invest in a program, remember, it shouldn't be 99% do it yourself. It should be 99% done for you. Now, we all know every business takes work, right? And we got to learn things. We got to learn skills. We got to improve. But once again, the more the program offers to help you be successful, the better off you're going to be and the quicker you can be successful than having to learn to do all this stuff on your own. Also, too, remember, when you have a mentor, you have that one-on-one coach access, that you can access them at a reasonable time, whether it be through Messenger or some means of communication. That should be a part of that course as well. So you don't get involved and invest in a course and then you're forgotten about. You're just a number. You're just a statistic that where they met their quota or they, met their goal for that month. But no, they should care about you. And that course should help you succeed like you need to, with the help of those that created the course and those that are coaching with the course as well, so they can help you get unstuck if you struggle in any areas along that journey. Here's another thing to consider concerning that course you're maybe looking at investing in, or maybe you've already invested in. But does that course offer you not just tech support? I know we talked about that a moment ago. But also, is there a Facebook group you can get involved in? We're not just with the creators of the course, but you can connect with other people and have accountability partners and, work together with them as well that's promoting the same product you are. Is there Facebook live streams weekly? Where you can get on and learn from that creator of that course as well as submit your work to be evaluated in the Facebook Live and help you weekly get through. Does your course offer all that? If it does not, then you need to move on. Now, guys, I've shared with you all these different things as well as there's other things as well, but for sake of time on this video, I'm not going to get into all that. But these are some of the main key points. If the course you're looking at or you're involved in doesn't offer you all those things, then I'm telling you, you need to move on because you do. Is there really a course out there that offers all these things? Absolutely. And I would encourage you, if you're looking for a course like that, where you can get a kickstart and you can get the help you need and the tech support and the interaction with other people in the group as well as the Facebook live streams and access to the mentor within a reasonable amount of time to help you with anything you might be struggling with learning the process. Yes, there is. If you're interested in this, it's a program that I've been promoting as well. Yes, I'm an affiliate for this program, but I would back this program and this individual that created this course 100%. So if you would like to know more about this, then click on that link in the description below. Guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when we put out new content. Listen, guys, there's many courses out there that make a lot of promises. But I'm going to give you a bonus thing. This course I'm sharing with you, if you click on that link in the description below, guess what? Once you buy into the course, and it is a very reasonable priced affiliate marketing course. Once you buy in, the creator of the course continues to update, change different things like that, give more value, give more information, allow you to leverage everything he creates as well. And guess what? Best part, there's no upcharge. It doesn't increase. There's no increase in the price as far as what you got to pay. Once you're in, and you get all this information, you get all this accountability as well as support, tech support, all these different areas. It's all part of that program when you get into it. So once again, thank you guys for checking out this channel. If you want to know more, click on that link in the description below.